National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, east central Perry County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Erin to 10 miles southwest of Dixon to 9 miles northwest of Hohenwald, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dixon, Centerville, Erin, White Bluff, Kingston Springs, McCune, Burns, Fairview, Charlotte, Van Leer, Sladen, Bon Aqua, Prim Springs, Lyles, Pinewood, Pleasantville, and Nunley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 151 and 187. Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 428, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Giles, Lawrence, Lewis, Lincoln, Marshall, Maury, Wayne, and Williamson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in